Hi, it's Nell Foster with Joyous Garden, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a garden with pebble ground cover. This is my garden. Welcome to my front yard. It is the end of January, so the garden is looking a little sleepy here in Santa Barbara. But this was all Bermuda grass, and there was some agapanthus, lavender, valerian. That was about it. Took that all out, took out all the plants, took out the Bermuda grass, dug down about 3 or 4 inches. I laid out these rocks down here because they're actually buried down in, and took out a lot of the native soil. What I did is I sprinkled a natural weed, so something that prevents weeds from emerging. It's a corn gluten. It comes in this one I use come in a shaker bottle because I live next to a big hillside and it's all weeds, so I didn't want weeds to emerge again, and I wanted to use something that was ecological, so I did that. And then I laid newspaper about an inch thick, half an inch to an inch thick, over that to help keep the weeds out. And also Bermuda grass is very hard to get rid of. Then I put about we put about an inch of sand on top of that, and then we put a much less expensive drain rock about an inch on top of that, and then we laid out the stepping stones, these granite stepping stones, and the base to the table there, and then we came in with an inch of this decorative rock. This is called California gold. You can see how a little bit of the drain rock is coming through underneath there, but this is the California gold on top of that. And I love gravel as a cover to the landscape because it drains well. The water can drain right through into it. It makes sense here in Santa Barbara because we're dry. It's a Mediterranean climate. It also goes with the architecture, and I love the sound of it underneath and on my feet. It just makes this great sound. So that is what I did, and I forget how many yards of it I use. But how about you buy this by the cubic yard, and you it's just installed on top. I replenished about an inch layer of it 3 years ago, and this year I'm probably going to put another inch on top of it because it will compress and compact down, and you will need to put a little bit over yours, especially if you have it as a driveway. Some people have it as a driveway, so they need to replenish it to keep it looking good. This is Nell Foster with Joyous Garden, and I have just told you how I landscaped my garden with pebble ground cover.